Hello there, my name is Robert Price, and I am about to show you my Nerf collection. So we're going to start with the table. We have a couple walkie-talkies, a jolt with camouflage duct tape on it, my safety glasses. If you ever do Nerf guns, always wear safety glasses, safety goggles. That's a good thing to wear. Then we have my, if you can see here, my Airwares Ultra Tech Snipe. Then I have a couple of flags I use for capture the flag, which is kind of cool. I have one that looks exactly like the United States flag. Then one that looks like the flag but a different color. Here, I'll show you a better picture of it. Sorry, my camera shadows in the way. Anyways, then we have a Raider CS35 with the clip that goes to my last gun I'll show you, which is my long shot. Then I have three of these Fire Strike Elites. Then I have this gun that I don't even know what it is. This is Nerf. I'm gonna say on the other side. No, it doesn't. And I got this gun from my cousin, so I don't even know what he did to it. Anyways, then I have a Star Wars Rebel Blaster. They came with 3 of these darts, but I lost one. Then we have my Champion Aerators. Let's see if I can zoom in. So yeah, Aerators Ultra Tech Champion. Then I have 4 Mavericks. As you can see, I have 2 yellow, 2 blue. Then I have a 18 round dart barrel drum magazine. Then I have 3 of these right here. Then I have an extra clip with these Ultra Tech darts. Then over here we have my gear. We have my tactical vest. We have my beret, my little cap, my helmet, and last but not least, my long shot, which I customized with this little strap here. So yeah. Bye. So that concludes my video. If you'd like to know more, please subscribe to my channel. And I love to show you guys more. Thanks. Bye.